Hello everyone, fresh okra is in season, so today we are making blanched okra in garlic sauce. Fresh, simple, and flavorful. The okra stays crisp tender, while the fragrant garlic and hot oil make every bite so delicious. Let's start with the okra. Choose fresh, tender okra with a bright green color. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of salt over the okra and gently toss it for about a minute. Then give the okra a good rinse under running water, gently rubbing the surface to remove any dirt and fuzz. Drain well. Now let's move on to the red bell pepper and garlic. Cut a small piece of red bell pepper. Trim away most of the flesh, leaving just a thin layer. Then slice it into very thin strips for a pop of color. If you like it spicy, you can use red chili instead. Next, finely mince 3 cloves of garlic. For the sauce, pour about 1 tablespoon of hot oil over the minced garlic to release its aroma. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of seasoned soy sauce for seafood, 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir everything together and let it sit for a few minutes. Finally, it's time to blanch the okra. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add a little salt and oil to help keep the okra bright green. Once the water comes to a boil, add the okra and gently stir them a few times so it cooks evenly. Blanch for 1 minute, then transfer the okra to an ice bath to cool completely. Drain and pat dry. Now we can trim off both ends. If you are comfortable with your knife skills, you can line them up and cut several in half at once. Otherwise, cut them one at a time if you prefer. Now all we need to do is pour the sauce over the okra and we're done. Look at this. The color is so beautiful and it looks absolutely amazing. Fresh, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. This easy recipe is ready in just about 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.